Peace, what it is, babies. I forgot to do a video about this, and I was gonna try to do like a big presentation, but I'm lazy. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so Jupiter, right, just moved back into Sagittarius, probably like I think a week ago. And this is a major transit within the zodiac because Jupiter rules Sagittarius. That's his natural home. Jupiter co-rules Pisces as well, but the Sagittarius energy is more attributed to Jupiter specifically because the Pisces energy is co-ruled by Neptune, which Neptune is in Pisces, has been in Pisces for the past 6 or 7 years. It's gonna be there for another 5 or 6. So anyway, Jupiter only goes through a sign. It takes Jupiter 1 year to go through a sign, roughly 13 months, between 11 and 13 months. Just depends on the speed, depends on the time of the year, etc. So one thing I noticed last night as I kind of look back when Jupiter went into Scorpio, because Jupiter just left Scorpio and it just hit Sagittarius, knowing that Jupiter is the biggest planet, right? So it has one of the greater effects when it transitions from one sign to the next. I went back and looked at when it went into Scorpio, what happened at that time. And what happened at that time was the Me Too movement. Now, I want you to think about it. Jupiter rules expansion. They say it rules luck, but the science in that is that it's what you're naturally good at. Therefore, if you act on your nature, you'll get, as they say, lucky. You understand what I'm saying? And you'll get a lot of benefit out of it. So that's where it comes from when they say that it rules luck. But really, it rules your natural talents. Sagittarius is like your natural talents. It's your mental, your perspective, your philosophy. It's your philosophical mind. It's Sagittarius. So it was Jupiter as well. Jupiter rules Sagittarius. And like I say, Jupiter rules Pisces. Pisces is your religious mind, how you deal with the spiritual. So Sagittarius is how you deal with the physical, your overall mind state of the physical. Pisces would be how you deal with the spiritual, your overall mind state of the spiritual. Thus, both of them are ruled by Jupiter, which rules your overall mind state, essentially. Thus, it is the greater planet, okay? So, when it hit Scorpio in October of 2017. And that's, if you look it up, that's exactly when it is said that the Me Too movement started, in October of 2017. Now, Scorpio rules your secrets, and Jupiter rules an expansion. So what happened? There was an expansion of secrets, and we got to learn the truth about a lot of these celebrities, right? That people looked up to or what have you, people are fans of, and which fan is short for fanatic. And we find out that a lot of these people deal in child pornography or just, completely violate women in some shape, form, or fashion. And in some cases, freaking violating men violating men. So whatever. But my point is that as Jupiter moved into Scorpio, we had that big Me Too movement popping off, and that is symbolizing or signifying Jupiter in the home of secrets, because Scorpio rules secrets, rules the hidden, rules, what's going on behind the scenes. When Jupiter hit that, it exposed all that. Now y'all know that the stories y'all done heard, which is the Scorpio energy, the occult realm, y'all done heard about the casting couch. Now y'all know a lot of that shit is real. All right, the shit that these fucking rappers, fucking actors have to do to be famous is degrading to a human being on a lot of levels. You understand what I'm saying? And that's what that's what we all watch as success in this world. Is going through the casting couch, doing all kind of depraved things or what have you. You know what I'm saying? Just to get some kind of recognition, to get some kind of fame and stardom or what have you, or whatever. So, I thought that was rather cool. And then the year before that was 2016, when Jupiter hit Libra, was a lot when so-called black folks was fighting for marching in the streets and all that, trying to get justice for Mike Brown and Trayvon Martin and the sister Sandra Bland, and et cetera, et cetera. Forgive me, I can't remember all of our fucking people that done got murdered, if all of it is real. Okay, beware of the false flag. The false flag is real. All right. But so anyway, you see when Jupiter brings about these characteristics of his sign. So now that Jupiter just hit Sagittarius, Jupiter is strong. This is good times for us as people. Because the truths are coming. Like I say, the truths got exposed in Sagittarius. Now we're gonna be figuring out what to do with these new truths. So a lot of people are just now really getting to understand that we are indigenous here as Afro Americans. That we've been on this landmass for centuries, and now we figuring out what to do with this information. That's Jupiter and Sagittarius. You know what I'm saying? Your perspectives. This is the time that people's perspectives are going to change about our future in general, because Jupiter is at home. It's like a new year in a sense, but for Jupiter, a new zodiac year, because it's starting at home. So, we can go on and on and on, but I just try to keep these short, just give you some good information real quick. Jupiter and Sagittarius, go look that up. If you got Jupiter in Sag or Jupiter in any fire or air sign, such as myself, I have Jupiter in Aquarius. This is gonna be a good year for you. You know what I'm saying? Because fire and air are harmonious. So peace and love. Take it easy.